How to use 11 Labs to make YouTube videos automatically. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing to you guys on how to use 11 Labs and making YouTube videos automatically. So without further ado, let us begin. So for this video, I'll be covering the kinds of YouTube videos that focus on like storytelling. So I'll just show you guys a quick example from this channel right here. So these are the kinds of videos that we are going to make. So as you can see over here that this person's videos get a lot of views. As you can see, it's racking up 528,000 views just 3 weeks ago, 255,000 views, and a lot more. So yeah, and then when you click on their videos, all you see is just a footage of gameplay right here, and then AI voice just telling a story. So it's really quite simple. So yeah, so what are the things you need to make these kinds of videos? So first is you'll definitely need 11 Labs for the voiceover. And the next is you will need some gameplay or any background video that you can add to your video. So as an example, I'll just choose Minecraft parkour gameplay, but you can use any kind of video or gameplay you want. Make sure it doesn't have copyright. And the next is you can definitely use ChatGPT to make your stories, or you can browse stories right here from Reddit. So there are a lot of subreddits right here that you can explore in searching for stories and using them for your videos. But for this video, I'll be focusing on ChatGPT. So yeah, there are a lot of ways to make these kinds of videos. So yeah. Then of course, you'll definitely need a video editor like CapCut right here, which is also free. So yeah, all of these that we're going to do is completely free. You don't need to spend a dime on anything unless you want to upgrade some plans right here in 11 Labs. But you can definitely do this for free. So yeah, let's begin. So first, let's just go to ChatGPT right here, and then let's just ask ChatGPT to make us a story. So as an example, I'll just tell ChatGPT to tell me some kind of a scary story. So make me a scary story that sounds real, something like that. You can also modify the prompt if you want to, but I'll just be doing this as an example. So I'll just send it, and then there you go. Then here we are. So as you can see, ChatGPT is now generating the story. So let's just wait for this to finish. And then there you go. The story is now done. Then afterwards, what we can do is just simply copy the script right here. There you go. Then I'll just copy the script, and then let's just go to 11 Labs right here. Let's go to text to speech. And then let's just simply paste in the text right there. And then there you go. And afterwards, what you can do right here now is to modify the voice. So you can choose any kind of voice you want to use. So I'll just look for a decent voice right here that we can choose.
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
No, thank you. Let's try Brian.
The thing always happens that you really believe. The thing always happens that you.
No, thanks. Let's just view some more. Let's hear Arnold.
Yesterday's home runs don't.
Nope. Daniel?
The world is round. And
no. How about Dave?
A man is not old as long as he...
Drew?
I believe that we are fundamental.
No. Finn?
The world is round.
Nope. George?
If you smile when no one else is around.
God has given you one.
No. How about Harry?
Friends show their love in times of
James?
The fox has many tricks.
Nope.
Love is a serious...
Let's try Michael.
Trust yourself. You know.
I think we can do Michael. There you go. I'll just choose Michael right there. Then we've changed the voice. And then there you go. Afterwards, you can also choose which kind of model you want to use right here. So they have 11v3 right here, 11 multilingual v2, and 11 flash v2.5. So you can choose any of these models right here. But I'll just stick with 11 multilingual v2. Then afterwards, you can adjust the speed right here, the stability, the similarity, and the style exaggeration of the voiceover. And then you can also do a speaker boost if you want to. And then once you're done configuring your script right here and the voiceover, just simply click on generate speech and then just wait for it to finish generating.
The man in the driveway. I don't scare easily. I grew up in a rough part of town, worked late nights, walked home alone.
So yeah. So while that is processing, I'll just see you guys in a sec. And then there you go, it's now done. So let's just download this real quick. Just click on download right here. And then there you go, it's now done downloading. So when we open up our folder, let's just play
The
this.
man in the driveway.
And there you go, we now have our voiceover. So once you have your voiceover, what you want to do now is you just simply download a video that you can use as a background video. So again, you can choose any kind of video you want. But for me, I'll just use some Minecraft parkour gameplay as an example. So yeah, then once we're all done, we can now go to CapCut right here. Let's just create a project right there. Then here we are. So next is we're just going to import our gameplay right here and the voiceover. There you go. Just wait for it to import. And then here's the voiceover and then the video playback. So what you can also do is add some background music if you want to, but for me, I'll just won't add some background music. So yep. So next, what we're going to do is just simply drag the video on the timeline. There you go. Then there you go. We have our video. Next is what we're going to do now is just simply drag the voiceover as well. There you go. So you can modify the volume right here as well. So if it's too quiet, you can always increase the volume. Then if it's too loud, you can always lower it. Next, what we're going to do is to just adjust the video clip right here so that it ends at the end of the voiceover. And then there you go. So there you go. We're almost 50% done. So what we're going to do now is to just simply add some subtitles. So yeah. So to add some subtitles, just go to captions right here. There you go. Then you can do auto captions right here. So make sure to click on the audio file first and then just click on generate. Just wait for it to finish. And then there you go. We now have our captions. So when we play it,
The man in the driveway.
so you can see there's some captions right there at the bottom. So yeah. What you can also do is change the style of the captions right here. So they have templates right here on the right side. So when you click on any part of the captions right here, this window will pop up. So you can go to templates right here and then change how your captions will look like. So they have some free ones right here that you can choose from and some paid ones. So yeah, feel free to choose which kind of caption template you want to use. So as an example, I'll just choose this one right here. I'll just click on that. And then there you go. You can also modify some basic settings right here like the font style, the font size, and etc. So yeah, feel free to customize these out. So there you go. Then when I play on the video,
The man in the driveway.
there you go. We now have our captions. What you can also do is increase the font size as well. Just like that. And then you can place it wherever you want. Just like that.
The man in the driveway. I don't scare easily.
And then there you go. And then once you're done, you can add some other basic edits right here like putting up pictures and etc. But once you're done adding the subtitles, you're pretty much done. Then if you want to add some extra details, you can also do so. But if you're a complete beginner, this is already good. And then you can now start uploading in your YouTube channel. So yeah. So there you go. So as you can see, we now have subtitles and some gameplay at the background. And we also have a voiceover. So yeah. And then once you're done, you can now start exporting the video. So I'll just export the video right here. There you go. And then just add the name of your video title right here. So I'll just name it The Man in the Driveway. There you go. Just choose your folder right here where you want to export it. Choose the resolution, the bitrate, the codec, the format. Then I'll just change the frame rate to 60 FPS. And there you go. Then once you're done configuring your export details, just simply click on export. And then just wait for the export process to finish. And then there you go. It's now done. So we can open up the folder right here. Then there you go.
The man in the driveway. I don't scare easily. I grew up in a rough part of town, worked late nights, walked home alone.
So there you go. We now have our finished video. And then afterwards, you can now start posting this on your YouTube channel if you want to. So just click on Create, Upload Video. Then there you go. You'll be redirected here in the Creator Studio. And then you can now start uploading your video right here. So there you go. So just drag and drop your video right there. And then there you go. So afterwards, just wait for the video to finish uploading. So what you can also do is also upload thumbnails right here if you want to. So yeah. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use 11 Labs to make YouTube videos automatically. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.